Hi parents, I am making this video for you to talk about our math assignments. So for math, I am going to ask the students to do some work on paper, and they are going to be working with some math manipulatives that I hope you'll be able to find around your house. So what I have here, I either already had at home or I made a quick trip to Walgreens and I was able to get glue, Play-Doh. I got this, it's called a craft pack. It's got cotton balls and googly eyes and a few other things, pipe cleaners. I have some markers. I have cotton balls and pasta. So what we're going to be doing for math, as long as it works for your kiddo, is working with the numbers 1 through 10. So I know online I made a template, but you don't have to print that off or try and work with the one on the computer. You can just simply make one yourself. This one I put inside of a piece of plastic so that it's reusable, but however you want to do it's fine. So our first assignment is going to be working with Play-Doh, and this combines fine motor skills of rolling the dough as well as numeracy skills. So I'm going to ask the students to identify the number, whether that's using their finger, using their talker, matching it to a number that you have written down somewhere, or if your child's verbal, saying the number. But once we've rolled out that number, placing it over the number, so practicing making the shape of the number, and then working on counting. So since this is the number 1, making 1 ball. Whoops, and there it goes. So we can do that with Play-Doh. If Play-Doh works really well for your kiddo, use it every week. Just practice these numbers, practice the rolling, practice the placing. That is fine by me. What if Play-Doh's not your thing? That's okay. You can practice the numbers by gluing and placing either macaroni on top, cotton balls on top, or even taking a pipe cleaner and putting a pipe cleaner over top of the number. So for the number 3, I would probably make the number first. Boom. There's my 3. I would glue it on the paper just like that. And then I go back into my little craftivity thing, find some of these colorful balls, and I would count 1, glue it on, 2, 3. How about our students that have some vision impairments? Well, I made this. What I did was I took some Elmer's glue and put it over top of the number, and it's made a tactile number. And you know what? I am so bummed that I did not think of that back in September, because what a great way to make a tactile number. So you can, and then the paper is a little bit thicker. I just cut out the back of a cereal box for this. You can also do this if your child might like to tear some paper. If you're using some cardboard, maybe an Amazon box, whatever, it's going to make it less likely that they can tear their work. Less waste. Okay, so what if the numbers 1 through 10 are a little bit too simple? Well, I still like the idea of working within the number set. We can just make the activity a little trickier by taking our marker, and instead of working on the number 3 when everyone else is working on the number 3, parents just stick a 1 in front of that and make that 3 a 13. And instead of simply doing 3 dots, add yourself a little base 10 tower to the top there. And again, so instead of identifying the number 3 on their talker, your student or your child would then find the number 13 on their talker and count 13 items here. Okay, so hopefully that would work for everyone. And again, if gluing macaroni works better than the Play-Doh, that is fine. Even though the assignment says glue macaroni, use the Play-Doh every week. And vice versa. If your kiddo loves to roll and place the Play-Doh and the assignment says glue cotton balls, forget about them. Work with the Play-Doh. Whatever works best for you guys is what you should stick with. As long as your child is sitting, getting practice, working at a table, getting opportunities to earn, taking breaks, and maybe getting some practice and learning some stuff too. That's awesome. All right. Good luck, everybody. I hope this works out. If not, keep in touch and we will make sure we find something that's going to work for you and your family. Thanks. Bye.